Good morning everyone. Today I am going to be doing a pretty standard full day of eating, nothing special at all. All I am going to be doing for today is working and eating, so I will be showing you guys the meals that I make for myself and sort of how they fit in around my day. And yes, that's pretty much it. How profoundly exciting for everyone. So I woke up a few hours ago, did some yoga. Well, I wouldn't even call it yoga. It's more like my very pathetic attempt at doing a couple of stretches, but you know, that was just to kind of wake my body up and get myself ready for the day. Then I spent an hour or so just working on an essay, just doing some proofreading and some final edits because I have to submit that for tonight. Then I did my makeup. I literally only wear makeup these days for the purposes of filming content for the internet, but apart from that, it's a very different scenario that goes on with my face. Now I am going to show you guys what I'm going to make for my breakfast, which is going to be a carrot cake, oats, and all of the recipes that I will be making for myself in this video will be in the description box below in case you want to recreate them for yourself. And I don't see why you wouldn't, because this food is going to be delicious. So yes, I am getting pretty hungry now and I am going to get on with my breakfast. This carrot cake oats recipe is pretty much as easy as it gets. All you have to do is start by adding the ingredients to a saucepan, which are gluten-free oats, plant-based milk of your choice, maple syrup, cinnamon, turmeric, and grated carrot. Bring that to a simmer over a medium heat and stir that and allow that to cook for around 5 minutes, stirring frequently until the oatmeal reaches your desired consistency. As you can see, I added strawberries, banana, dark chocolate, some hazelnuts, desiccated coconut, and a drizzle of tahini. So this is a little snack that I made for myself. I have 2 pieces of toast. This one is with avocado, tomatoes, and some sea salt on top. And this one is peanut butter and some banana. These are very simple combinations, but they are my go-tos. I am absolutely obsessed with both of them. For my lunch, I decided to make a sweet and sour chickpea nourish bowl. To make the sweet and sour sauce, I stir together 2 tablespoons of tamari, a tablespoon of maple syrup, 2 cloves of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1/3 cup of water, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and the juice of half a lemon. Then I just proceeded to add that to a frying pan together with the chickpeas and stirred over medium heat for around 5 minutes until the sauce had thickened. And as you can see, I also added some sesame seeds as a nice finishing touch. I arranged everything in an absolutely humongous bowl. I used brown rice as a base, then also added broccoli, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, green peas, and a drizzle of tahini because I am team tahini on everything. Very useful tip for all of you that I literally swear by. If you want to cook something but don't really know what you want to make, kind of have a look around your kitchen, see what you fancy, and throw everything into a bowl essentially, which is the situation that I have going on right here. I make bowls like that all the time just because, as I said, they're really quick and really easy, and it's always a really good way to kind of get a variety of flavor, variety of color in a single meal. And I am very excited to dive into it for my lunch. The sauce that I use for the chickpeas, I use it across a whole range of dishes. So I use it with tofu, I use it while making sort of a noodle stir fry, and it's absolutely delicious. And I would do a taste test, but I don't like the sound of myself eating. I don't like how my face looks when I eat. Quite frankly, I don't want to put anyone through that, but just try it out for yourself and yeah, let me know how it goes if you do. So I'm going to eat my lunch and continue working. I have some stuff that I need to get done for my website, which is going to take up the majority of my afternoon. But the next segment of this video is probably going to be making either my dinner or a snack beforehand, and it's most likely to be a snack because you know those days when you just feel very hungry. That's what I'm experiencing today. But whatever I end up doing, fear not, because you're not going to miss out on it. So I've been testing a couple of recipes this afternoon that I can't quite share with you guys because they're actually for a secret project that I have been working on. So on the left we have a homemade peanut butter protein bar, and then a homemade peanut butter and chocolate bliss ball, and I'm just going to have these for a little afternoon treat with a cup of tea. Last but not least, I had some butternut squash mac and cheese for my dinner. I do live alone, so I only cook for myself, but I made a massive portion to keep some as leftovers in the fridge. This is too good to only eat for one day. So I started by cooking the butternut squash and carrots, and while that was happening I added a clove of garlic to a non-stick saucepan and just cooked that for a couple of minutes until it was nice and fragrant, and then I proceeded to add some crumbled up tofu and tamari and saute that for around 4 minutes or so until the tofu kind of started to dry out a little bit and the tamari had absorbed fully. Once the vegetables were ready, I drained and rinsed them and transferred them to my blender together with the tofu, nutritional yeast, turmeric, cumin, curry powder, sea salt, cornstarch, a red onion, plant-based milk, and proceeded to blend that until nice and smooth. And as you can see here, the final result looks absolutely fantastic. And after that, all you have to do is transfer the sauce to a frying pan and just allow it to heat through for a couple of minutes, and then stir in some fresh kale, or you can use spinach or any other leafy green of your choice, and add pre-cooked pasta of your choice. So here I have some gluten-free macaroni, but literally anything works with this sauce. And this is very random, but I finished my day with a bowl of edamame, spaghetti and some avocado. Hey guys, it's actually the next day and I just want to thank you all for getting this far into the video, and if you did get this far then be sure to subscribe and get notified when I next upload something similar to this. As I said, thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will hopefully see you very shortly.